I have an outside IR35 determination. What does that mean? Firstly, if you have an outside IR35 determination, what you should know is that the interim management provider is responsible for IR35 compliance. The candidate can be paid without deducting tax or national insurance, and it's typical for the interim manager to invoice the interim service provider and the interim service provider to invoice you. It's also acceptable for the interim manager to invoice you as the client. However, in this case, you be responsible for IR35 compliance. Currently, the vast majority of executive level interim managers want to work outside of IR35, which means that your assignment is going to look more attractive to them, and therefore you'll have more candidates available to you. Even though you have an outside of IR35 determination, you can still pay the interim manager via a fixed term contract. Although this is not as attractive to the interim manager, it's inconvenient for them, and it also means that they are paying more in terms of tax. This in turn means that you're going to have to pay more of a premium to get the same interim manager if you want to pay them via a fixed term contract, as opposed to the interim manager or interim service provider invoicing you. An outside IR35 determination could also be more tax efficient for your organisation. You will need to check this with your internal auditors or your external auditors, but it's very likely that candidates who invoice you or interim service providers who invoice you can have their costs capitalised and put onto your balance sheet as investment cost. If you're looking for an interim manager and you've determined the assignment as outside of IR35, but you're unsure how to pay the interim manager or what pay mechanism to choose, please give us a call. We can talk to you about this in detail and give you the best advice so you can make the best choice.